Welcome to the QuickStart series, where we show you how to set up and configure your VOLO access control system. In this video, we will be looking at applying a time zone to a site in a few simple steps. Let's get started. Select the customer the site belongs to. Navigate to the Sites menu option in the top bar. Find the site you wish to update. You can use the search option in the top right corner if you have a great number of sites for this customer. Click the icon next to the site name to begin applying a time zone. Select Settings from the left-hand side menu. Click Edit. To set a specific time zone for this site, first uncheck the box in the Use Customer Setting column. In the Value column, use the drop-down menu to select the time zone you want to apply. Press Save and Close, and then click OK to close the window. That's it! Your site now uses the new time zone. Check out other menu options for further site-level actions. If you need any further information, you can visit our wiki. Please find the link in the description or contact CIE. Thank you for choosing VOLO.